Hello. Today I'm going to make chopstick with New York steak. These bell peppers, I think I bought it like a week ago or even before that. It's going to be bad right now, so I have to use it. I watched a video about how to cut bell pepper. Let's try it out. It seems really good. So just cut top and bottom like that. Top, bottom. Cut it like that. And cut around the seeds. Okay, let me see. Oh, it seems really cool. Look at this. There is no seed left. Wow. And then cut this. Oh, this is actually really good. Oh, I like it. Okay. And the ends, same. Just cut it like that. I think I'm gonna cut bell peppers this way in the future. If I have onions, it would be really nice, but I don't have it, so I'm gonna skip it. New York steak. I'm gonna cut it into cube. It's 1 pound. So it's good for 2 people, 2 servings. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna have this for lunch and I have to go to work. Let's cook it real quick. All right, good amount of olive oil. I mean any cooking oil. 아이고. Toss all the meat. And add some salt. This is a herb salt. I bought it when I went to camping. Do you remember? This week on my days off, I played game all day, non-stop again. And you know, like after game, the realization, oh my god, what I did, oh my god, what I just did, like why? It's like, yeah, I thought about it and then it's like, really just escape from reality. Sometimes it hits me like occasionally. I think it's every 3 months it hits, but I think now I'm getting out of this. Yesterday I slept pretty okay, not the best, but was okay. Now I'm resetting my sleep schedule. I really want to do better, so I'm trying. I have a big problem that I can't control myself. You know, on Monday, that was my day off, the first day off. And in the morning, I cleaned up my kitchen and I felt really good. Oh my God, it's really good. Oh, okay, I'm gonna keep it up. I'm gonna make my videos and I'm gonna keep working on my thing. And then I was like, oh, let me play the game for just 2 hours and then I will start to filming. And I said 2 hours, but I couldn't stop, and that was really bad decision. That wasn't just the day after as well. I just played, and in the night, and I didn't even eat, just play. So that's really bad. But now, yeah, I think I'm over it. I hope it's really over. Maybe it will happen again in 3 months or something, but before it happened, I wanna make as much as videos possible, and I just wanna focus on it. I'm gonna higher the fire. So we wanna cook the meat until like 50% done, 60%. Then we will put the bell pepper and onions if we have, but I don't have. Oh, last night was like, so I came home a little early, like 11:30. I took shower and I wanted to sleep early, and I took night tea. I don't know what exactly it is. And so I had the tea and I felt like, oh, I'm sleepy, you know? Like everything, I was relaxed. Instead of go to bed right away, I watched videos again on my iPad in the living room. So I think I slept around 2:20. I want to sleep around 1 a.m. That was really good. If I sleep around 1 a.m., then I wake up at 8 or 9. It feels really, really nice. Have you feel that? The difference? If you sleep early, if you sleep late, the feels different. Regardless how many hours you sleep, you know? Okay, it's time to put bell pepper. It's a lot of bell peppers. Okay, now we are doing sauce. Let me measure for you. Let's do 1 spoon of oyster sauce, 4 spoons of ketchup, and mix it very well. Yeah, finally I used ketchup in my cooking video. And you know, like, I ate Pringles with ketchup. It was actually good. Pringles is chips, like French fries potato. I think it's the same thing. It's really good. I mean, if you have Pringles and ketchup at home, try it. Trust me, it's really good. Okay. 맛있는데. 1 spoon of soy sauce. A little more oyster sauce. Finish it with some sesame seeds and black pepper. A bowl of rice. My mouth is watering. Yes, 2 portions. I'm gonna have lunch. Yeah, let me see. It's good. It's 맛있어요. So I'm trying to fix my sleep. I used to take melatonin, like 3 milligrams, but not that often. But that doesn't. I feel like that doesn't really help much. Do you think I need to get like 5 milligrams, or is it too much? I just want to fix my sleep and back to before. Sleep well, work out regularly, eat regularly, and focus on my work. I mean, my video work. I think I'm slowly getting back to it. So let me try this for 1 week. After 1 week, if I do right, yeah, I'm gonna be fine. Okay. I have to say bye. I'll see you next video. Have a good one.